bono na ade man ni bufu yo ba de ten say no obeka kire woman na me ne nam ne say video no try no on delete. Ghanaians, let's educate ourselves. There is nobody in this country or what right to say or best stop POB from videoing in public. Whether so Siki will concern no, whether so when Siki will concern no, there is nothing wrong with Obi. Say you didn't hear Obi the camera be see me so I know video me. Me need right to be asking me kwa born the phone. So they tell video me. I will be sad and sad now. Maybe say will be here.
Now you have a guy like this who is trying to lead youth movement. Who doesn't even have the brain? He doesn't even understand what he's doing. He has an image writer. The right, my face, that is exclusive to me. I don't think I see row and sapona oye advert na beka say see row mbramo no. Sika puduo bi na betua no. I don't think I see Ronaldo am your boy. Okwe press conference a coke sin anim oyi fi ho. Following the na coke brand no so teye. That is what we call the power of image. Me jina me baby, tie ni ye oni go educate him. Say ye journalist. Say me twa movie. Na obi twama say me friend ipa na me kai say o me pa cha what me move him. Are you okay?
Hello, keep watching Xposed GH, the best channel on all of YouTube. Yes.
Hello, hi, Xposed GH, FM members, baby, I will be the check a CNMO. Or subscribe to now on Sakabi. Before the election, Chada, NKB Kasembi, na papa bi ano ye movement for their benya or cars or no supporting Kwasi Asem sa. Na nkofo nte Chada say bi mu say there will be a we for the youth there na no say there be. One ka say youth nti Jimmy bia na ojina say youth. Guy now kind rough. Last week omo call your friend saying parliamentary way. What the deputy finance minister di na chi eye Kwasi Asem sa na guy na me che no. Na no ne ma ye che no no e kire no no mo interview no ka osan kan kwase na mso akwa we waboda mo ye kwotie ni on camera
na when it's official
that guy it's either said the law will work or I will take the laws into my own hands. Or Ghana you see obia papa me ka hwehwe you see no yen hwa de bi wa so when am ka kwa mu drive na say obia bodam mpo no jina ka kwa mu you have no right so obesi akwa attack nipa no nti yen for say on the day na omo ka se me kodi na kwan mu ma obi be papa me ka me de na ma hwehwe no na ma bodam na me jina kwan. Do you have the right to come and slap me? No. But Sikaofficial am funny who the next day I took the opportunity say me kwa bonten na mama omo wo ho no akire say ma me no hu say me bo no we see dabi hu say me bo no include abrotire omo ye evidence kese ba ko
e bia wanya da video
me pa cho me ba evidence kese ba ko wa abrotire e ye nkola obi e police ba baby a nkola e wo ho no e na omu di nkan je omo no nsem akwala wo ho a me bisa no. Did you see me beating this woman or say dabi? Sikaofficial went extend to post on one of his page say he has been there to confirm say you true rafu nipa no. Meanwhile I have the woman's video when I call police station admittedly say me mambo no na ade man ni bufu yo ba de ten say no obeka kire woman na me ne nam ne say video no try no on delete. Ghanaians, let's educate ourselves. There is nobody in this country or what right to say or best stop POB from videoing in public. Whether so Siki will concern no, whether so when Siki will concern no, there is nothing wrong with Obi. Say you didn't hear Obi the camera be see me so I know video me. Me need right to be asking me kwa born the phone. So they tell video me. I will be sad and sad now. You need say Obi there. Now say you mre ye adwuma say Obi say say let the law work. Nka Obi say Obi ade no reporting my police ah. E say police here dey. Na mo ko so bi masem. Me ye my lady no because I had a criminal case in court. And who a criminal case in court? Galam say demonstration here koye you know. They na a criminal in the court. And they yama me bail. Into by the law no say yama bail on criminal charges ah. Okoya the criminal be ma yen san so ma bail. Into ka case ni be 2 years ah. E say me dem 2 years. And that case in the twem woman no say na dey say me twaso a I have all the video recordings the okoya and the TikTok the threatening so the acid na neighbor and I'm telling you obi o share video in the on send no whether say you Ghana ni say you oba say you Bema if you are getting closer to me these days you're very careful because I work prepared me na ma ye prepared am obi a say the acid neighbor say the true neighbor my ye prepared Come with wisdom, let's share wisdom. Come with love, let's share love. Come with what I stand for, patriotism. Let's share patriotic words. Na yema in tumpong. Nande yesia ye dimpuntu edim komo. Chale mimi kromo na nsuo ni chale ene ya ban ba ya beye mo kwaita ntan ya ban ba na beye ma. Ye ndi san komo no. Enya raf ye kwasia raf ya ba na MPP na asoma na NDC na asoma na. Chale sa jimi no mo memfi onko. Na naso emi ndi akeli.
Let me tell you one thing. Wisdom is in the mind. And wisdom, it's not even by action. Obi oha or your wise bon kasa. Obi oha Jimmy or kasapa. Because we shall Ralph Subaya. Jimmy Pro Max. He is trying to be popular. He is trying to be something that he is not. Because Osha guy actions. How do you tell me, say, Ralph? It means you don't even know. It means you are a fool. It means you are not correct. What you say? Do you know what we call an image right? Say, you can pick me way. Ubeti me afa camera no camera. I don't have the right to stop you. That means you don't even know. Minim school or call I'm sorry or call Karikani school be. Because or school papa kobe who say I don't know a non-starter. Now you have a guy like this who is trying to lead youth movement. Who doesn't even have the brain? He doesn't even understand what he's doing. You can say image writer. The right, my face, that is exclusive to me. And nothing I see ro. And sapona oye advert na beka say see ro mbremu no. Sika pudu bi na betua no. And nothing I see ro na do Ronaldo am your boy. Okwa press conference a Coke sinanim oyi fi ho. Following them na Coke brand no so teye. That is what we call the power of image. Me jina me baby, tie ni ye oni go educate him. Say ye journalist. Say me twa movie. Na obi twa ma say me friend ni pana me kan say o me pa chaw. One ba me movie, are you okay? Oka say o me okay a na ye ko. Oka chem say yi film I say me san ko twa scene ni biem. Because me de ne bam na say be movie ne ba out. Na your friend say nipa no mo timi see you me. You have no right to go and put camera on somebody unless you have his explicit word permission. Say, can I video you? It's rough. You don't even know the law. Me name say why do you say akoko clitoris because I do way me who say what bomb papa and this is the kind of guy people are following. Oh, chada oh, me catch us and na come be dia ko na nyimu do. What who say boy do Jimmy? Because sabe Ocean ni ye as if he's on red. What him red? I don't know. Oh yeah, red. As if say Ralph Numbi. Because and yes sir, the actions and in and actions not just our bottom or a mental problem. I say almost to be not. He's a deranged person. He needs help, mental help because we're bottom. Because how can you put a camera on somebody who is also a parliamentarian? He is going to parliament, and then you were videoing him and saying nasty things in front of the camera, and people are going to justify it. It's unjustifiable. And you be one man. Let's call a spade a spade. And you be a Jimmy. And you were we and your pressure nothing because with him Ghana. Yeah, MPP is not in power. If you want pressure to go and put on somebody, go and put it on what? NDC. When on your account, these are politics, what? Antics. Now come on, your friend say, to me, you come on the position. Because, and yes, sir, I didn't know Ralph, yeah, no. Yes, send him, me dream where me say, I can't no answer. It's from the help from henceforth. Me would video can medilate because guy way, he doesn't have sense. There are things that you need to fight for, and there are things that you don't need to fight for. And we are saying, you can't be a wiser. The wise man knows the battle to fight, and the battle is what? Let's go. But Ralph, there, he's fighting a battle who is not even there. It's not existent. And he's trying to create an impression for people to believe in him. That's not how you go about it. Pick something which is tangible and strike at it. Now, I saw a political element here just to destroy Ghana. Yes, we are the air man, yes, Ralph. Kwasi assembly was starting your befasu. And then who bought the topic from me be befasu because near no who try say obesend kolana dwen. I won't allow that. We are moving forward as a nation. We don't need non-entities like Ralph to come and do things which are nonsense. We don't need it. Now, once again, make a chance say ucho big video without his consent a crime. Onima omre na me channel there. As if so onima there because on school no kwan go school papa bia. I expose GHFM members. Subscribe, share, ya the two pa now saka Manuel si.
Keep watching Xposed GH, the best channel on all of YouTube. Yes.